Hi everybody and welcome to Mandaboo number 10, the 10th installment in the amazing Mandaboo series brought to you by Mandarin Monkey. Now, this is a Chinese listening exercise as always, so there will be no zimu, no subtitles, but you're going to have to use your keen sense of hearing to try and figure out what Eula is talking about. Today, these boos are going to be about holidays, some more obvious than others. Let's get over to Eula for those boos.
这一位老人，他最喜欢穿红色和白色的衣服。他有很多好朋友，在这一天帮助他送礼物给孩子们。请问你会在哪个节日看到这位老人呢？在这天，你会看到骷髅头，你会看到海盗，你会看到吸血鬼，你还会看到许多不一样的角色。通常这些角色都会在晚上出现。请问，在什么节日你会看到这些东西呢？这天，大家会纪念屈原跳江。在以前的故事，他们会做一种用米做的食物，丢进河里，让鱼、虾不要吃掉屈原的尸体。现在，大家在这个节日会吃一种用米做的食物，会立蛋，还会划龙舟。请问人们在什么节日会做这些活动呢？
Okay, so that concludes Mandaboo number 10. Put your comments below, use the little space thing so that we can't see your answers. We will reply to the correct ones and even the not correct ones, and we'll let you know where you're going wrong or where you're not, as usual. Thank you very much for supporting us. If you do, and if you don't, click here or here or here or wherever it is located on your screen and have a look. We do free lessons, by the way. Bye! Amazing. Simply astonishing. That was absolutely amazing. I'm pretty sure I know which watchy's watchy which. Incredulous.
I don't know what I express.